Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to type @ on your computer or laptop. Okay, so first of all I'm just opening up a simple text document here. You can see on the screen. Okay, so let's suppose you are going to write write a email. Okay, so you can see I'm just typing example @gmail.com. okay, so you can see on the screen and on the camera, which is I'm just type Shift+2. you just click Shift+2 at the same time and you can see that @ is okay on the screen. So this is how you can type @ in your computer or laptop. Okay, so I hope you guys understand how you can do this. It's a very easy thing to do. So I'm showing you guys again. If you missed it, okay, just Shift+2. That's it. So thanks for watching this video.